If you press F, you fart.
All right, guys. Are all you guys ready? Graham's joining. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Hey,
guard me.
I need to kill someone near me.
Amongus.
I have to do the weirdest tasks, bro. I don't know how to find them.
Dude, the proximity.
Oh my!
It's gotta be
Literally
Gunner.
everyone was with me besides Gunner.
I ran out and I saw the.
I was with Graham.
Only with me for like a second, dude.
I was like right by us.
It was
Yeah,
you, Gunner.
Gunner.
We were literally all with each other.
Yeah, and then fucking Gunner ran off.
What do you mean I ran off?
I ran into the kitchen.
I couldn't find my tasks, bro. Please. Please. Diggs, you're sus. Diggs, you're sus. Diggs, get away from me. Diggs. Diggs, get away from me. Diggs, I swear. Hello, Dublin. I have the same task. I have to send a signal. Brian. Dude, I have to organize boxes. Come here.
Oh, okay.
Wait, tell me if there's an emote. What the heck? How do I do this? Wait, fire goes there.
Bro, you're gonna murder me. Fuck out of here.
No, I don't know how this works. Dude, this literally makes no sense to me. Hold on, I'm gonna call an e-meeting. Hello. Oh my gosh, Diggs and Stinner. Okay. Alright. Confirmed. No, confirmed it's not Doo-Doo Mungus. Confirmed it's not me because we were literally spotting each other the entire time. So it's either Griff or Rue. Dude, I don't know though, because Griff was actually just standing by a task that I also had. So I think it's Rue. Oh. Oh, let's go. Oh wait, guys, there's so many special roles. Dodo Bird tries to get voted out. Vulture eats corpses to win. Okay, guys, let's just start it. I just have random rolls. Let's just start it. Everyone ready up. Ready up. Damn, you're sus as a bird. I don't even. Hold on. Temp sus. If this doesn't work, bro, they totally just about to vote me out. Temp sus. Temp sus. It's temp sus, guys. Temp sus.
Shut up.
I was
Say what he did.
Temp
Say what
sus.
he did, then.
Temp
Say what
sus.
he did.
Sus. Like, he's just sus.
Do.
He's just sus. What? Dude, what? Tem's sus. Tem's just sus. Dude, I'm not. Tem's just sus. I don't, like, he's just sussing me out like a bird. Like.
Okay, Griffin, let's vote for Gunner, okay?
You're sussing me out, guys.
Gunner, you come in here like acting like you were like.
Alright, I was just trying to say Tam was sus.
He wanted you to vote him out, bruh.
I knew it.
Yeah. Please don't kill me. Dude, proximity chat makes every game better. Proximity chat literally makes every single game better. Griffin, if you kill me, I'm gonna cry. Because I can see ghosts and I really want to be able to see me, okay? Because I can see ghosts. What?
Bro,
Alright, guys.
I swear I just saw Tambo vent, bro.
He might have.
Guys, we have 5. Let's just skip.
Team is literally just better.
Hold on, everyone gather around. I'll do it in 10 seconds.
That means you're the mechanic, though.
10,
No, I'll do it in
9,
10 seconds.
8, 7, 6,
Remember
5,
Sussy Vodka. You guys
4,
should really bust
3,
me out.
2,
I actually think it's
1.
Tambo though, bro.
What happened? Dude, oh my gosh. Whoever was the sheriff just threw that like a bird. If the sheriff kills somebody who wasn't it, they die too.
You guys are about to get murked.
You're about to get murked, Dill.
Or
should we report? Report. Let's say we ran up on it. Alright, we have no idea. It was me and Rue were together and we ran up on the body and literally like...
Together.
Yo, I was
Back
with
at Xander.
It's
All right, well, someone here's a liar.
That's the only one who wasn't with.
It has to be Griffin.
I was.
I told you.
Dude, I walked past.
No, it was
shit.
Joe.
Okay, okay.
Hey, aren't we,
All right,
are
hold
we
on.
trying to get
Hold on.
voted out?
Hold on. Can I tell you?
Are you the dodo?
Zed,
bird?
Zed's the
Okay,
dodo.
Xander's
All right,
the
Zed's the
bird.
dodo, so let's ignore that.
I don't even. What is this? What are we doing?
Okay.
Dude, we definitely just won it first round.
In your dreams.
It's definitely not me.
It's Mac.
It's Mac. It's Mac. It's Mac. E-meeting. E-meeting. 2 seconds.
No, Xander's the dodo.
All right, I got it. It's Mac. It literally has to be Mac. It literally has to be Mac.
What, you seen kill Zan?
No, bro. It's just
I ran
like.
past him and I heard him just go.
Wait, how did Zan die? Wait, who killed Zan?
Who killed Xander?
You,
man.
Oh.
Wait. What?
You, man. Wait, nah, I think
Mac.
it's Drew, bro.
Yeah, like I
Get
really
out of here,
goose.
Mac, bro. You
You're saying the
Wait,
same
wait.
thing.
So wait, what is a sheriff? What is a sheriff goose?
Are you the sheriff?
Are you? Oh my gosh, bro. We
It's
got
Ryan. It's Ryan. It has to be Drew.
Dude, it's not me.
Brian.
Dude.
It's ruined.
Max, why do you
Gunner,
act
why is he
so
geeking?
sus?
Connor, stay with me, huh?
Okay.
Stay
Okay.
with me if it's not you. Follow me.
Okay.
Follow me.
Stein's about to
Okay.
kill you, bro.
I'm not gonna kill you. Just watch.
Bro, oh my gosh, I hate not getting anyone. Okay, guys, I have an idea. This will get someone out for sure. Hey, guys, I have a little proposal.
Gunner, why'd you
Dude,
just
it's
call the
Mac.
meeting?
Cause I just want to tell you. Cause you know how
shut up,
in
it's
Among Us,
accurate.
I actually have a use-
okay, by the way,
Xander's
guys,
not here, bro.
by the way,
He's-
guys,
I'm gonna
in Among Us, it shows the imposter fake tasks to say they have. It doesn't show the duck that they have any tasks. So if the duck can't name a task, then it's them. It's not
Connor
Mac.
always tries to run it.
I'm just
Trying
saying.
to make up some.
He's trying to always.
Okay,
So
he
basically,
doesn't-
my theoretical analysis of this situation is
Okay,
like,
okay, it's not Mac. It can't be Mac.
no, you
Wait, right now, tell me your first task. I have aligned satellites, calibrate reactor, fluff pillows, get battery, clean
Activate
manifold.
reactor.
Activate reactor.
Activate doors.
Wait. Guys, okay, wait, come on.
Okay, it's not
What?
Mac. Glenn.
Wait,
Okay,
you just said your tasks were activate reactor and activate doors.
Yeah.
Those are the imposter tasks. Wait, those are what you can do.
Dude, I didn't. You're.
I just
bro,
said,
that
guys, I
game.
just said name your tasks, and he said activate your
Gunner
reactor.
knows the sabotage task name, so.
Because I had duck last round. Yes, I told you, bro. Okay.
That's some dead motherfucker.
Me and Dill are unsuspect.
Who is
I
can
would not dig.
can I
Why you just say me?
can I have a question? I have a question. I have a question.
It's not Diggs, Xander.
Zan, who are you?
It's not Dill.
Zan, who are you with?
Mac just killed someone and instantly tries to blame it on it.
Zan, who are you with?
It's Mac. It's Mac.
Zan, who are you
I know it's not Diggs.
Dude, it's
with? Zan, were you with anyone?
Oh, you're done, guys.
Wait, what?
I'm Zan, you didn't answer any of my questions.
Wait, I can't hear anything.
Oh.
Everyone's just like.
What do you have to do?
I have to repair the intercom.
Okay, well that wasn't a what?
Repair.
Wait, no one's doing tasks. Should we just try and figure out who it is, bro? Should we just try and figure out who it is? Wait, how? Oh, okay. Okay, guys.
Diggs literally murdered
Guys.
Kate right in front of me. It was
Guys.
Diggs.
Okay.
Of everyone. No, listen, of everyone,
Alright, stands clear.
who would be the one to try and reverse psychology us? Me
It's
or
at
Dill?
Diggs.
It would be
literally
Diggs.
just killed
Diggs,
him.
the way you started that sentence.
Yeah, it's Warren. It's Warren and Griffin.
It's Warren and Griffin because Griffin was just running
No,
around going.
Can I try to explain this in a way that
No,
we
you
Yeah.
can't.
understand?
You killed
Yeah.
it right
Yeah.
next to
Yeah.
the hot tub right in front of me. What? Get out of here.
Do you not understand what Dill is doing?
That would be a imposter.
Yes, I understand what I'm doing. I'm voting you out because you murdered him.
Other one has to be
Yes, it
Griff.
is you then.
All right, it's Griff.
What?
It's Griff. Someone call the E meeting.
Are we sure? Are we 100% sure it's not Gunner?
All right, Dill, I was with the entire. Wait, back me up. Wait, I was with you.
Oh.
See, he has a 10-second cooldown. Call it, do call. What? Why?
Dude, y'all are fuckers.
We saw him kill him, Dylan. Why? We saw him. Dude, this isn't fun. Oh, Mac, we had the same task. Mac.
I think it's
So
I think it's
close.
Zach.
How is that
Followed you for
like,
2 seconds.
Yeah, Mac
and
followed me and like he didn't
yeah,
do
for
anything.
no, I think it's
He didn't do any
I
tasks.
thought
I went to
that-
task. I went to
Okay.
Dragon's task. I went to Dragon's task. You're so
What did you do? What did you do? I think
I
it's
think
Mac.
it's Warren.
I didn't have time to finish. I didn't have time to finish.
I think
Yeah.
it's Warren.
Who are we voting for?
Mac.
Did y'all not hear me that Warren kept farting?
What? How was that? What up, Zan? Oh my gosh, you're sus as a bird. Okay. I'm Zan.
What was that about, huh? Alright, Gunner, what was that?
Farted on me, bro.
What was me walking up to you and being like, you're sus as a bird?
No,
It's
you
Warren.
like
It has to
farted
be
on me.
Warren.
Yeah, cause
Warren.
no. No, just from my
Gunner,
just
Gunner,
no.
saying
Can I
it's Warren.
can I just
It's
no?
not Warren.
Can I just be honest? Can I just be honest? I wanted to see if Zan was actually going to do a task. He ran up and did nothing and then turned around. You know it takes you to your task. You know it takes you.
Alright, it's Gunner. It's Gunner.
Vote Warren, and
I
if
let
it's
him
not
talk.
Warren, you can
Oh,
vote
it's
me.
Zan. It's Zan, guys. Come on. The duo. Unheard of. It's unheard of.
Dragons.
Yes.
Okay, I'm running with y'all too.
Dragons, come with me.
What?
Okay, so whoever sees it, I can silence. If it's three,
Wait,
it's fine.
I think I can. Wait, can I?
No, I can silence whoever we don't kill. So if it's 3, if it's 2, dude, why would you do that?
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. Diggs. Hold
Dude,
on.
now they're just gonna think it's especially me.
I didn't mean to.
No.
I'm hell out of here right now.
Nah, dude, you're crust. You're crust.
You're crusty as shit.
Dip. Master Zan.
Yo, it's been quiet for too long. I'm going to...
Zan.
Quiet.
Holy! Did you see that, Diggs?
What happened? It's Zan.
It's Zan.
Act like you didn't
Dude,
see that.
Zan just walked up and saw a dead body and called E-meeting.
There was a dead body?
Zan, there was a dead body right beside you, bro. What are you doing?
Where?
Was it by the
It was
table?
right by the Diggs. You saw it, right, Diggs?
Yes, that's why we're sussing.
Yes.
just a bot.
Zan just
Where- I
Zan,
literally don't
Zan
know
just
where
ran
it
by
is.
the
It's not
ball.
me.
I think it's Gunner.
I'm skipping.
I think it's Gunner.
I'm skipping.
Just
I'm skipping.
skip, yeah, skip.
I think it's Gunner.
Right. Alright. Oh my gosh. They voted me out as a troll. Like, that's how I get out now. Yo, are we gonna go watch the action? Like, are we gonna...
No.
Oh, Diggs.
Yeah, let me just go flying.
Avenge my dad, Zan.
I was literally away from everyone.
No, Xander called an emergency meeting out of nowhere. I
On
was...
who? Xander. Are you?
Yeah.
Can you speak, please?
It's
Hello.
Xander. Vote for Xander. He's being sus.
He seems Dodo-like.
Yeah.
Xander, speak up. Why would you
he's
go
not
for
Dodo.
Warren, bro? Oh my gosh. It was you, Warren, wasn't it?
Was he the dodo?
You were it. Dude! It was you.
you.
Pussy.
That was smart.
As Griffin.
Zan, you didn't say
He got
anything.
muted. He got muted.
Y'all are so
I got muted.
Warren outplayed you,
that was
bro.
so.
Yeah, Griffin is such a dumb...
Warren.
Why didn't you say
I
anything?
killed Wit right in
Because I got
front of him,
muted, Griffin!
Gunner would've
I'm a
accused-
goose like you guys.